Okay, this is the last step. We have to leave the car. We have to leave everything open, let it dry. You see here, we're gonna leave everything at least to dry out. You see on the top there, it's coming down. It takes time, but we have no other choice. The most important, we don't need no water to be inside this car. And after that, after we finish, we have to deal with the sunroof. Yes. Is there anything here can make the water get in? No. If the water can go from here also, we're gonna close all the woods. It's still not yet dry. Here, you see, we're gonna take this speaker out maybe. Clean it more, but it will dry out. It needs some time.